Hi there, if you want to connect your S25 Ultra device with your TV, then this video is for you. First thing first, you have to make sure that your device and your smart TV is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. If it's connected with same Wi-Fi network, then you can go forward, like go to settings, and here you will find connected devices. Tap on it, then here you will find smart view option, and it will allow you to mirror your device screen to your TV, and it will connect your device with your TV. You just need to turn this on, and it will start searching for your TV. If your TV is connected with the same network that you have connected on your device, then you will get the list, the TV name from here. And then you just need to tap on the TV, and then you have to give the permission from your device, and you have to give the permission or allowance from your TV. Then after these steps are completed, then you can just simply screen mirror your device screen to your TV. That's how you can connect your S25 Ultra device with your TV easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.